Nearly 3 weeks after the Taliban seized control of Afghanistan, the group has finalized their leadership. The Taliban has named Mullah Mohammad Hassan Akhund as the acting Prime Minister of the new Afghan government. Mullah Abdul Ghani Baradar and Mullah Abdul Salam have been named as his deputies. The Taliban's all-men cabinet consists of 20 people. Here's a look at some of the important faces in the cabinet. Afghanistan's new acting Prime Minister Mullah Hassan Akhund has been long-time head of the Taliban's powerful decision-making body, the Rehbari Shura, which is their leadership council. He was previously the foreign minister and then the deputy prime minister during the Taliban's previous regime from 1996 to 2001. Akhund hails from Kandahar and was a close associate of the Taliban's first leader, Mullah Muhammad Omar. Given his control over the Leadership Council, Akhund will also have a say in military affairs. He is currently on the UN sanctions list. He is suspected of playing a role in the destruction of the Bamiyan Buddhas in 2001 March. Sirajuddin Haqqani, the head of the Haqqani network and son of the famous anti-Soviet warlord Jalaluddin Haqqani, has been given the portfolio of Interior Minister. Sirajuddin was designated as terrorist by the FBI. The US Department of State is offering a reward of up to $5 million for information leading directly to his arrest. He is believed to be maintaining close ties between the Taliban and Al-Qaeda. Amir Khan Muttaqi has been appointed as Afghanistan's acting foreign minister. He served as the Minister of Culture and Information and the Minister of Education in the Taliban's previous regime. He was also the chair of the Invitation and Guidance Commission, which led efforts to get government officials and other key figures to defect to the Taliban. Muttaqi was later sent to Qatar and was appointed as a member of the Peace Commission and negotiation team. He was part of a team that headed the Taliban's talks with the United States. With some much-wanted headliners now taking leadership roles in Afghanistan, the Taliban will have to do exceptional job to gain global acceptance. A Federal Report.